Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. The month of blessings has arrived. Month of rahmat, barakat and maghfirat has started. My dear brothers and sisters, first and foremost, I wish you all the best in the month of Ramadan. According to the Quran and Sunnah, this month is very, very important in the sight of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In this month, lucky people, Muslims and believers blessedly fast and get countless blessings and virtues from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and dedicate themselves in worship of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala day and night. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us tawfiq to do so. My dear brothers, fasting in Ramadan is one of the 5 pillars of Islam. If someone lives to keep fasting in this month, then he is regarded as fasiq or transgressor. If someone doesn't believe in his obligation, then it is very dangerous. He is kafir. He goes out of Islam. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect us and save us from this danger. If someone misses to keep fasting in this month, though due to some reasonable excuse, he cannot get righteous and virtuous whatever and which he could get in this month, though he keeps fasting his whole life. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Quran, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu kutiba alaykum as-siyamu kama kutiba ala alladhina min qablikum la'allakum tattaqun. All you who have believed, decreed upon you is fasting, as it was decreed upon those before you, that you may become righteous, you may become pious. In one hadith, it is mentioned in Bukhari Sharif, قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم إذا دخل شهر رمضان فتحت أبواب السماء وغلقت أبواب جهنم وسلسلة الشياطين. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, when the month of Ramadan starts, the gates of heaven are opened and the gates of hell are closed and the devils are chained. In another hadith mentioned in Bukhari Sharif also, عن أبي هريرة رضي الله عنه عن النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم قال من قام ليلة القدر إيمانا واحتسابا غفر له ما تقدم من ذنبه ومن صام رمضان إيمانا واحتسابا غفر له ما تقدم من ذنبه أو كما قال عليه الصلاة والسلام. Narrated Abu Hurairah radiallahu anhu that the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, whoever established the prayer on the night of Qadr out of sincere faith and hoping for a reward from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, then all his previous sins will be forgiven. And whoever fasts in the month of Ramadan out of a sincere faith and hoping for a reward from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, then all his previous sins will be forgiven. MashaAllah. Alhamdulillah. Subhanallah. So my dear brothers and sisters, this month is very important and it has arrived, and we are enough fortunate and lucky that we have got this month. So this is a golden opportunity and glad tidings for us. So we should stop ourselves, stop our intention, stop our works from the bad deeds, and always we have to put good deeds in our practice. And this is a golden opportunity, my dear brothers. And in this time, really, we have committed mistakes and now we have got the opportunity. So we need to worship, we need to recite the Quran, we need to perform salah and do dua more and more. And we need to spend each and every moment in the worship of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And my dear brothers, so please, you are requested to remember me and remember all intervals in your precious dua and prayer. And in this horrible time, because interworld is suffering and facing the pandemic period, and that is really, and that is because of our sin. So we need to do dua. We need to do dua to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala remove this coronavirus and free all of us, and free all of us from this dangerous disease. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us tawfiq to do more and more. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make us from His righteous people. Ameen.